Hello, you guys. It's me here, Ranika from Challenges and More. Today, I'll be singing the song How Far I'll Go from Moana. If you guys want me to do more challenges like this, then just leave in the comments box down below and put hashtag Challenge Squad. Without further ado, let's just get started. I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I could remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows